Welcome back. And in the big national story, the meeting of all political parties of the parliament. Now they have jointly requested Anna Hazare to end his fast. The meeting was also to view that due consideration should be given to the Jan Lokpal bill so that the final draft of the Lokpal bill provides for a strong and effective Lokpal which is supported by a broad national consensus.
मैं देखने के लिए आया हूं कि अचानक पूरे मैदान को पुलिस ने घेर लिया है। अभी ये देख रहे हैं आप सारे, ये जो प्लेन क्लोथ्स में जबरदस्त पुलिस आ गई है सिविल ड्रेस। वो कह रहे हैं कि अंदर जेब कतरे आ गए हैं, उनको रोकने के लिए आए हैं। लेकिन एक बार मैं थोड़ा राउंड लेके आता हूँ, फिर बात करते हैं।
आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि अन्ना जी को ले जा सकते जबरदस्ती हॉस्पिटल में?
पता नहीं, कह नहीं सकते, वो तो मना कर रहे हैं। मैंने पूछा उनसे, पुलिस वालों से, मैंने कहा कुछ एक्शन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं क्या? तो कहते हैं नहीं, अभी एक्शन नहीं।
Well, Arun Jaitley, leader of opposition of Rajya Sabha, before that all-party meeting, in fact, stated that the focus should be on empowering the Lokpal bill with teeth rather than a tight deadline.
Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Arun Jaitley, is heading for the all-party meeting. Mr. Jaitley, there is an attempt going on by the government to create the broad contours what can be an agreeable Lokpal bill. What are the things which you agree with on the government and the Lokpal bill?
I have no information of what the government intends to doing. I am quite clear about two things. We must create a situation keeping two facts in mind. First, Anna's fast must come to an end. His health is of primary concern. And secondly, the government must move forward and come out with a credible proposal for a strong and independent Lokpal.
Do you think that the government, by mishandling the whole issue, by not talking or honoring what Lokpal was, what the committee was saying, what the opposition was saying, has actually brought a situation where the entire system
The government gave an impression that it wanted to Sarkariya Lokpal. Now this created a reaction, particularly when the enormity of public anger is there, particularly because of large cases of corruption which have taken place. And therefore, I think the public anger is so high, the government should have sensed the mood, got the message loud and clear and reacted to that. It reacted to the contrary.
Are you happy about the fact that somebody is setting a deadline for Parliament that this is the time by which you should enact a law?
Well, I won't comment on deadlines or rejection of deadlines. We are very clear about the kind of Lokpal that we want. We'd like all parties to put their head together. The timetable, according to me, is not so relevant. What is relevant is the content of the Lokpal. Whether the Lokpal is discussed tomorrow or it's discussed after 15 days is a secondary question.
Are you happy about a law being created in haste, under duress?
Well, I think we've discussed it for 42 years, so we really can't say that Lokpal is being created in haste.
And if the government does come up with certain proposals like the Prime Minister being included in the Lokpal...
Well, that's the BJP's proposal. Prime Minister minus his national security and public order functions is the BJP's proposal from day one. The NDA had introduced a bill to that effect and we'll be too happy if the government accepted that proposal.
Well, this evening saw heavy rains lash the city. Reports of heavy showers have been pouring in from different parts, in fact, of Chennai. And, we contacted the Met Department and the Met Department says that the sky conditions would be generally cloudy. We can expect rain or thunder showers in some parts of the city. Of course, the maximum temperature at this point, they say, will be about 35 degrees Celsius. Well, finally now, even as Amma completes a 100-day in office, outside of a few road bumps, the journey has been fairly smooth and AIADMK leaders are only too confident of their leader. Let's take a look.
உயர்நீதிமன்றம் தனது உத்தரவில் பத்தி 61 ஆசிரியர்கள் தேர்வு முறை எவ்வாறு இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று குறிப்பிட்டுள்ளது. இந்த சட்டத்தின் மூலம் தற்போது நிறைவேற்றப்படும் சமச்சீர் கல்வி ஒரே விதமான பாடப்புத்தகங்கள் கொண்டு வருவதோடு நின்று விடுகிறது என்பதால்தான் இதை அவசர கோலத்தில் நடைமுறைப்படுத்த முடியாது என நாங்கள் கருதுகிறோம். இந்த பாராட்டுரைகளை எல்லாம் கேட்கின்ற போது எனக்கு மகிழ்ச்சி என்பதை விட என்றுமே என் வாழ்க்கையில் தோன்றாத ஒரு அச்ச உணர்வு இப்போது தோன்றியிருக்கிறது என்றே சொல்ல வேண்டும். 100 நாட்கள் முடிந்த பின்னர், எங்கள் ஆட்சியின் பணி 100 நாட்கள் முடிந்த பின்னர் இன்று ஒருவர் கூட குறை சொல்லாமல் இப்படி தாராள மனதோடு முழு மனதோடு பாராட்டு தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார்களே, இது தொடர்ந்து நீடித்து நிலைத்திருக்க வேண்டுமே என்று எண்ணும் போது ஒரு சிறிய அச்ச உணர்வு ஏற்படுகிறது.
Well, that's all we have time for. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu. Have a good night.